be on my way now. You just give me a...
What's up, guys? Sergio here
And Amanda.
and Amanda. We're the proud owners of this Mercedes Sprinter 2016 that we've purchased during the first...
During lockdown. in
During lockdown.
2021.
I don't really remember it was the first one or the second one, but doesn't really
Beginning
matter.
of 2021.
Yeah, 2021, we start building on it. We bought it on auction on... I don't remember exactly the page. Right, so we bought it, was a bit beat up. We put about 12 months of work on it. Before all that, we start traveling way before. It was just a 10. We had nothing, no insulation, no nothing, but we only have the excitement of having this van. So we drop a mattress at the bottom, had the seats installed, took the kids with us, and here we go for, I think it was a couple of days that we or one day or something like that. Anyway, the idea is that we've got to this point where we were trying to open YouTube channel. We got enough video documenting how we build it, the mistakes that we've done, and the tips and tricks that we've used, and all the system that we install in the van. Like everybody else, we've used YouTube a lot, so we found a lot of inspiration over there, but also we kind of come up with our own systems, like the alarm system and the first tryout. Turn it off. Hot water system. While we're driving, we heat up the water. It didn't. This means we have pressure that it holds properly. Yes. And a bit of how we save space and we make it like kids friendly. We have 2 kids, 3 and 6. So yeah, we were building it more for them because the space needs to be utilized. Because as a van lifer, as a van traveler, you're not gonna encounter sun every time, especially in Scotland. So yeah, we try to make it as comfortable as possible. We build like an adult area and a kids area in the back. We have a lift bed. So yeah, we put a lot of thought and work and engineering, you could say. I'm a tattoo artist. Amanda here, she's a... what you are? Cybersecurity engineer. Right, she's studying cybersecurity. So yeah, I'm also a tattoo studio owner. So the whole concept, the whole idea, it's travel to conventions, travel with a family, and post as much as we can from our experiences. So yeah, we're newbies doing this. We've tried several times before to do YouTube channels and stuff like that, but we lost interest a lot. It's a hard thing to do. I mean, touche to everybody who does YouTube channels out there, and they have the time to spend to edit videos and do content and the patience to do all that. That's like mind-blowing, because some people think that's easy, and it's not. It's actually not at all, because you need to it does involve creativity, content, time, nerves, tech. You need to have the proper editing tools and stuff like that. And it's like 5 or 6 elements that if you don't master at least one of them, you're gonna be rubbish. So yeah, we're trying to juggle between keeping the kids family, keeping the happy family, and start building this YouTube channel. Not to be repetitive with some other YouTubers and nothing similar with that, but obviously because van life is pretty similar between us, we will do some other stuff that other people do, but we're gonna do it our own way because we have our beautiful kids and we love our family so much that we think this mobile house is gonna make us happy. Try to think less about breaking our backs and make piles of money and enjoy more the time that we have with our kids that are young and crazy and they want to do stuff, and we just want to be there for them. So that's the main idea with this van. The fact that we live in a beautiful country, Scotland, it does rain a lot, but that's why we got big ass tires on the van, so we can climb and go off-road and not go off-road and go there and go back and be crazy and yeah. But we have so many lakes and islands and it's just mental. And because we insulate the van so well, we've done last year, we've done Snowdonia, all that Lake District and all that stuff, and we've been I think like 3 weeks we've been outside, and it was absolutely incredible. We were like below 8 degrees. It's nothing major. I mean, probably every van that has a proper insulation could sustain that, but obviously with 2 kids you're always more skeptic than being just 2 adults. So everything we do, it needs to be prepared a little bit before, just in case we hit any obstacles or anything like that. And obviously we want to take care of our kids' security and safety and all that stuff. So yes, we do travel a lot to Scotland, to England. We've done last year Europe. We've done 10,000 kilometers, 6,500 miles, something like that. Yes, it was. We visited 10 countries. Turning point was Romania. We went to Transylvania Castle and we spent time with the family. We have our roots are Romanian, but we did travel. We lived in Spain for a good while, more than half our lives, and all that stuff. So yeah, we gather a bit of knowledge. We gather a bit of character from each country. So now, because we're established in Scotland, we would like to cut down on work a little bit, try to find alternative ways to sustain us and just live. So every subscriber, every comment, everything that you can aboard to this channel, it means a lot, because we know that we're not working in vain, and it's gonna be something that we want to build and help, and like other channels helped us building whatever we have and gain all this knowledge, and everything was for free. It feels like we need to give that back